Hey, spice enthusiasts! Ever wondered about that cinnamon in your latte or the pepper on your steak? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through time and across continents to uncover the incredible history of spices. Imagine a world where a pinch of pepper was worth its weight in gold. That world existed, and it shaped the course of human history. These little flavor bombs in your cabinet were once the reason empires rose and fell. Let's dive into the spicy tale of how they made their way from exotic lands to your dinner table. Our story begins over 4,000 years ago in the ancient civilizations of Egypt, China, and India. Spices weren't just for flavor, they were used as medicine, in religious rituals, and even as currency. Cinnamon from Sri Lanka, pepper from India, nutmeg from Indonesia, each spice had its own journey. But it was the spice trade that really spiced things up. Merchants braved treacherous seas and harsh deserts, all for these aromatic treasures. Fast forward to the age of exploration. Christopher Columbus, Vasco da Gama, and others set sail with one main goal: to find new routes to the spice-rich East. Their quests led to new discoveries, cultural exchanges, and sadly, colonization. The spice trade quite literally changed the map of the world. Today, the spice trade looks a bit different. Global commerce has made spices more accessible than ever. But next time you sprinkle some cinnamon on your oatmeal or add curry to your chicken, remember, you're tasting thousands of years of human history. So, are you ready to spice up your cooking and impress your friends with your newfound spice knowledge? Leave a comment below with your favorite spice and how you use it. If you enjoyed this flavorful journey through time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty historical tidbits. Until next time, keep it spicy.